Hello everyone, and today I will be demonstrating how you can access the router configuration and change the default SSID and password. As you may know, when you buy a router and you connect it to your network, it comes with the preset network name and password. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the configuration and customize the network settings and the password. All right, let's get started here. So we need to find out the router IP address. This is called the default gateway. To get that information, let's go over to the command prompt. We're going to right click it here and run it as an administrator. Let's click here. And over here, we're going to type the following command: IP config /all. Let's press enter, and what we're looking for is the default gateway. In my case, it's 192.168.1.1. In your router, it may change a little bit. It will depend on the IP class that you're using. It may be 10.0.0.1, but just make sure it says default gateway. So let's write down this number over here, and let's go over to the internet browser, and we're going to type the IP address that we just copied. In my case, it was 192.168.1.1. This is the router's IP address, the local IP address, and we're going to press enter. And you will have to provide the credentials in order to get access to the router configuration. The default username for the routers, most of the routers, is admin, and the password is password. If this does not work for you, just Google it, and then let's click here to sign in. And notice that I'm working on a Netgear router. Your window may look a little bit different. It will depend on the router you're using, but just make sure once you access the router, look for wireless settings. So let's click over here in the wireless settings, and notice over here that the SSID is Netgear 07, and the password is holy table 07. That's not something that's too hard to remember. So right here we're going to customize that. So the network name, it will be, let's put my name here, Wilmer Cruz. And the security, we're going to leave it default WPA2. That's the most secure encryption that you may use. So, and then for the password, let's put Wilmer Cruz 202. Just for this purpose. So in your window, there should be a button that says Save Changes. But since my router is a little bit old, I'm just going to press Enter. And if we go over here in the corner, notice that we will lose network connectivity. This is because we just changed the network name and the password. So just give it a few minutes. So notice that we now this over here changed. So if we click here and let's see the network list, you will now see my network right here. Hold on. Okay, let's check it out now. So notice that my network changed. Now it's Wilmer Cruz. So if we select the network, now it's a lot easier, to recognize on your network. So let's click connect, and let's type the password we created. So it was Wilmer Cruz 202. Let's see. Yeah, Wilmer Cruz 202. Let's click next. So notice that I'm connected to the network now. But now, it shows with a different name. it shows with the customized name, Wilmer Cruz. I think that's a lot better to, remember either the password or the network name. You want to make sure you click the right network before you connect. So let's see over here. We have network. If we have internet, google.com. Yeah, so actually it's working. So this is everything for the video. If you ever want to, go back to the default settings, there is a button on the back side of the router. Just push that button for 30 minutes and that will, reset all the settings of your router, and it will bring it back, to the default settings. So this is everything for the video. I hope you guys learned anything today. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button down below, because in the next video I will be demonstrating how you can block websites in your network. All right, thank you very much.